back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I'm going to make you a simple baked chicken gravy. Alright, I'm doing some baked chicken. Alright, and I want to make a gravy for you guys. It's gonna be simple, easy, and effective. Look at this recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team today. Please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch the video. I'm gonna make it simple that you can make this at home. Alright, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere, please stay right there. Nice and lovely. So very medium sized pot on the stove. All I'm going to do is pop roughly about a half teaspoon of vegetable oil or olive oil. Alright guys, turn on your stove a little bit low. Nice one. We've got a medium sized white onion. I'm gonna cut it up very small. Red pepper. Yellow pepper. And green peppers. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Put it straight in the garlic crusher. And squeeze it. Look at that. Beautiful. Next one. See that? The garlic crusher you need to get things on it. And you want to fry out this thing to get really, really crispy. That is fantastic. Smell that lovely garlic. Put a little bit of ketchup. 2 large tablespoons. Pinch of mixed herb. Half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, or the chicken seasoning, and give it a stir. You can use your favorite season. I'm using a little bit of water from my kettle. Not too much, because I'm not making a lot of gravy. It's a tiny little bit of gravy. Alright, I'm not making too much. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of chili. Dry chili, I love dry chili. Bring in spice. Not too much browning, just a little pinch of browning. Right. Don't want to put too much because I don't want it to get too black. Black. No. So I'll put a little bit. And give it a stir. You see the color. That's not too bad. So what we're going to do, lighten it a little bit more, putting off about another tablespoon of ketchup. Give it a lovely stir. Nice one. Color looking good. So we want to do place. That's perfect. Give it 5 minutes and it's going to be ready. And turn on your stove a little bit low. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I can see, this is finished. Alright, we don't need to go any further with this. So basically, as you can see, you can strain it off if you like, or you can just leave it as it is right here. This is just fantastic and lovely and nice, as you can see, looking lovely. So for more information, please visit Chef Ricardo website www.chefricardo.co.uk and get more ideas from Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel. And please stay tuned. I will see you next time with more recipe. How to make your baked chicken gravy. Easy and simple.